Good afternoon, children. This is your activity book, and today we will be doing a craft activity. And for that, you need to keep some things ready. First is your activity book. You will need a craft paper, any color, your Fevicol or gum, a rough cloth to wipe your fingers, well sharpened pencil, eraser, ruler and your crayons. So we will need all these things to do our activity for today. Alright children, so let's begin. We will open to page number 3. Page number 3. First, we will write today's date. You will write your date on this black line. Today's date is 1/10. Today's date is 1st October. The topic you will tell me. Alright? We will first see what are we making. Then you can guess it and then I will tell you the topic how to write. So let's begin. Take your craft paper. This is your craft paper. Are you ready with your craft paper, children? Yes, very good. Now, this is the colored side. Any color. And when you turn it, it is white. Now, this side is white color and the next is your colored side. We will keep the red color facing on the top. I have a red craft paper. The color which you have will be on the top and the white color will be down. Alright children, now you have to listen very carefully to how I tell you to fold the paper. Alright children, now listen very carefully. This is your paper. Now children, you have this line of your craft paper. Now, hold the two ends. This is the end and this is the second end. Hold this two ends of your craft paper and slowly put it over the top line. Over the top line. Now, when you have put it, your colored paper should not be seen. Put it correctly on the line, on the top rack. This is the bottom line. This goes on the top line very neatly. This end to this end. Hold the paper tight in the middle and with the other finger press this fold. Press this fold with your fingers tightly. Alright? Your colored paper should not be seen. Both the sides you should see the white paper. Alright children? Now, you have folded your paper this side. Now, turn your paper upwards in a standing line position. The opening of your paper will be this side. Your paper will open this side. Now, you have this as your top line and this as your bottom line. Now, you will hold these two ends of the bottom line of your craft paper and put it over the top line. Again, nicely, neatly on the line. The paper which is below should not be seen. And then press this line very tightly. You will get a square shape. This is a square shape. Have you understood till here, children? Very good. I will explain again. You will take the colored paper facing upwards. The bottom line you will put over neatly on the top line. You will get a sleeping rectangle shape. This is sleeping rectangle shape. You will turn your paper in standing rectangle shape. Then you will hold the bottom line of the craft paper, put it over the top line of the craft paper, and you get a square shape. Understood, children, till here? Very good. Now, when you are folding, be very neat in your work. You won't see any color from both the sides. It should be this neat. Alright, children? Now, watch very carefully, children. Your paper will open from this side. You will see there are 4 papers here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Has everybody got 4 sides here? 4 papers? Yes. Now, you will only lift up one end. Only one end of the paper. Lift it up slowly and bring this point to this end point. You will lift your paper and very neatly you will put this point over this point. So I lift up only one paper, and I neatly put it on this point. And with my finger, I fold this line. With my finger, I fold this line. Have you done it, children? Very good. Next, be very neat. See, the paper is not coming out from any side. It is, this point is on this point. After this, turn your craft paper. Done? Now again, you will have this side 1, 2 and 3. 3 papers left. Hold all these 3 papers and bring it to this end. All the 3. This end, and you fold it with your finger. You press this line. Very neatly. See, children, I have brought all these 3 ends to this end. And I get the, which shape is this, children? This is the triangle. 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines, 3 sides. Triangle. Now, can you see the white paper from anywhere? No. Alright, so be neat in your work. The next step is, when you have made this triangle, you will find that this paper is open here. Alright, this is the end point which we brought it all together, and this paper will now open like this. Lift it up. Put your pointer inside. Don't press very hard. Lightly put your pointer inside and open it. Now, when your pointer is inside, you have these 2 points, one on the top and one at the bottom. You press and bring these 2 points close. Slowly bring these 2 points together and remove your pointer. Put it together and you will now get this shape. Alright, children, the next step is you turn the paper like this. Done? Lift your paper up now, your craft paper, and very lightly and slowly hold it here on the top, very lightly. Don't press very hard and open. Hold it lightly and slowly open it. Slowly open it. Open it very slowly. Like this. Very slowly I have opened it, and then you press a little. Very lightly you press. Alright children, have you got this shape? From both the sides you will have your colored paper and the white will go inside. Has everyone done this, children? Be very slow and neat. Now, have you guessed what is this that we have made? Yes, this is a boat. This is a boat. So children, today we have learnt to make a paper boat. So let us write the topic. We will write the topic on this black line with your pencil. A B O A T, boat. A boat. Now children, we cannot keep this boat like this. We will now stick it. Now this side, which is a little open, we will put Fevicol. Now children, be very careful when you apply the Fevicol. It is just 1 or 2 drops. And then you spread it with your finger. Spread it with your finger very lightly. After spreading the Fevicol, wipe your hands to the rough cloth. And now, the side which you have applied Fevicol, you will stick it to the page. Page number 3. You will stick it like this. Not very high and not very low. Just in the middle. You will stick your boat very neatly. Now children, this boat does not look nice standing alone. So let's make this picture a little more beautiful. Children, can you tell me, where do you see a boat? Yes, we see a boat sailing in the water. But there is no water here. So let us make a little water. And for that, you will need your blue color crayon. With your blue crayon, we will make water. Hold your book a little slant and let's make water. Now how will you make the water? Begin from down, a curve up and down. 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 The same we will do one more time. A curve up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And one more time. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up and down. Wow, we have made the water. Now the boat is sailing in the water. But children, when do we go in a boat? Yes, sometimes we go in a boat only to take a ride. But there are some people who go in the boat for their work. And what is that? Very good. To catch fishes. Oh, but there are no fishes here. So let's make some fishes. Yes, very good. Take your pencil. Hold your book a little slant. And we will make some fish. Hold your pencil. And between these two curved lines of the water, we will draw a fish. Now, you make one curve, go up, come down, one curve, bring this curve a little down, and again keep your pencil on this point, and now take the down curve, crossing this line. Make this line a little big. And then you join this point with a curve, zigzag lines to this point. Done, children? Make one eye, mouth, and we will make some scales. Do you know what are scales? Let's do and see. One curve, two curve, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Done, children? Now, we make the fins where you have made the curve. Make fins up. Write the number 3. Go up. Write the number 3 and come down. And again this side. The slant line down. Up and down and up. Wow, beautiful fish. Very good. Let us make one more. Now we will make one fish going opposite side. So one curve. And again, keep your pencil point here now. because the fish is going to the other side. So pencil point here and with a down curve, up. Bring this line a little down. With zigzag, make the tail. One eye, one mouth, and now the scales. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have practiced the left curve. Yes, children? Very good. The same left curve. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then they have fins. One fin, another fin. Wow! Let's make some more. We will make one here. Curve. Another curve. Zigzag. Make the tail. Eyes. Mouth. Now the right curve scales. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We make the fins. And one below. One fin on top, one fin is below. And we make one more here. Again a curve. We will make this fish coming out of the water a little. One curve. Put your pencil point. Another curve up. Zigzag. Eyes. Mouth. Left curve. Fins. Beautiful. Now, all these fishes are black and white. So let's make them a little colorful. The first fish here which we did, let's do it orange color. So you will take your orange color crayon and color this fish. Very slowly, children, because the fish is small. And then first the borderline. Very slowly. And then fill your color inside. Make the fins also orange. And the tail also is orange. Be very slow and neat in your coloring. Very good. This fish, let's do it pink color. So take your pink color crayon and do the borderline first. First the borderline and then color your fish. Fill the colors inside. They are looking beautiful now because they are colorful now. Let's do this fish red color. So take your red color crayon and color the borderline first, very slowly. Beautiful. And the last fish, we will color purple color. So take your purple color and color the fish very lightly, because the purple color is too dark. So color with your light hands the border and then fill in the color inside. Now the picture is looking very colorful and beautiful. Let's do something more. This is your boat. It is sailing in the water. There are fishes in the water. Now let's do a sun up in the sky. And so you take your pencil and you will make up here at the right hand corner. This is your left hand corner. This is your right hand corner. You will make a circle. Very lightly make a circle. See how I make. I don't make one big round at a time. Alright children? Very slowly take a left curve. A nice left curve and then a right curve. Yes, this is your circle. After you have made the circle, take your ruler . Bring the ruler in the middle like this. And now you will make a straight line only from the circle out a little and out a little, upwards little and downwards little. You will not draw a line inside the circle. Alright children, see like this. And then hold your ruler in sleeping line and make 2 sleeping lines again. One this side and the other this side. Alright children? Very good. You will not draw lines inside the circle. Now hold your ruler slant and again make 2 slant lines up coming downwards and another slant this side. Up and down. Your left slant and your right. Done children? Be very slow. After you make these big lines, now only with your pencil between these 2 big lines in the middle you will make a small line like this. No using your ruler now, only with your hands and pencil. Try to make a straight line only for drawing, not in your English. For English, always use your ruler to draw lines. This is drawing and craft. So, when we do not have to use a ruler, I will tell you. So, only for this line and this line again between these two big lines you will make a small line. Very good. Again, between these two big lines you will make a small line coming down. Again, between these two lines a small line. And again the same. Between all the big lines you will do a small one like this. It means the sun is shining very bright. Wow, that looks beautiful now. Now can we keep the sun like this, black and white? No, we need to color it. The sun is shining bright and it is yellow in color. So you will take your yellow crayon and color the border, the circle border color first, and then you fill in your color inside very slowly. After filling your color inside, now watch very carefully. With your crayon, you will make lines on top of these pencil line. Alright children, on top of this pencil line, just one line like this. Straight lines on top of your pencil line. Very good. Now this is a bright shining sun. Now in the sky there are also some birds flying. So we will take a black color to show some crows flying. Alright children, now watch very carefully how I do the crows. We will do the crows this side only with your crayon. One curve, two curve. And another little far away, 1, 2. Another little here and one here. Only with your crayon, black color crayon. The crows are flying. Well, now our picture looks colorful and beautiful. So children, we have learnt today to make a paper boat. Be very neat in your work, in folding of your paper. Listen very carefully and go step by step. And also color very neatly. Alright children, very good.